The MIET Group is one of the leading educational groups in Western North India, recognized for academic excellence, strong industry linkage, and high-quality technical education. Our quality credentials are recognized at every level. They are proof of sustained, systemic excellence. The scale of our impact is reflected in numbers that matter. MIET Meerut, our flagship campus, has for 29 years set the standard for technical education in Western Uttar Pradesh. The first autonomous institute in the Meerut region, MIET offers 13 undergraduate and 7 postgraduate programs across engineering. Designated by AICTE as a research center for pharmacy, biotechnology, computer science and electronics, MIET has built deep, active partnerships with the world's leading technology companies. From CubeSat satellite engineering to preclinical medical research to drone technology, the breadth of our capabilities is exceptional. MIET's Biotech and Pharma Research Center is accelerating healthcare innovation through drug discovery, in vitro and in vivo toxicity studies, pharmacokinetics and medical device research. With over 500+ industry consultancy projects completed in the last 3 years, Biotech and Pharma Research Center is bridging academic research with real-world pharmaceutical and healthcare innovation. Innovation at MIET is not a department, it is a culture. AICTE All India Council of Technical Education, IDEA Lab at MIET is a state-of-the-art innovation facility that enables students to transform ideas into prototypes through hands-on learning, design thinking, and emerging technologies like AI, robotics, IoT, AR, VR, and product design. MIET also houses Atal Community Innovation Centre. MIET Meerut Foundation is a Government of India-supported innovation hub empowering students, startups, grassroots innovators, and women entrepreneurs across Tier 2 and rural India. Working across AI, healthcare, agriculture, sustainability, and deep tech. ACIC MIET Foundation helps transform ideas into prototypes, startups, and scalable solutions for real-world challenges. MIET Incubation Forum, a Government of India recognised startup incubator at MIET, has nurtured 100+ startups and generated 300+ jobs. With strong government backing and industry collaborations, its incubated startups have achieved significant milestones, including multiple awards and several ventures crossing $120,000+ in annual revenue.